out there who are interested in hosting, aspiring TV hosts, maybe you've just gotten started, maybe you've done a few jobs, and you're wondering, how could I possibly make a living doing this if I'm not Oprah or Ryan Seacrest yet? And the answer really is that there are so many different areas of hosting that people don't even realize. There's red carpet hosting, press junket, regional morning shows, which are also talk show format, industrials, which are really wonderful work because usually it's only housed in a company's website. It's really just you talking about the product or service that that company has to offer. And it's really lovely work and usually a pretty good pay. There's also trade shows. It's usually 1 to 3 days. It's typically $1,000 to $1,500 a day. And oftentimes you're traveling all over the country, sometimes all over the world, live presenting, and that really keeps you on your toes. I always say that's kind of like the gym of hosting. There's also shopping channels. You've got QVC, HSN, networks like that. Usually those networks pay you 6 figures to start, and it's a full-time job. It's reliable income, and you are on-camera talent, which is kind of what we all want, right? I can't go without mentioning infomercials. Infomercials are huge internationally. And what a lot of people don't know is that other countries love to hear Americans talk about products. We really represent consumerism to most of the world. Reality TV hosting, of course, travel shows, fixer-uppers. If you go into TV hosting, there really is so much work available.